So here I'm at Legoland, Florida. You can hear the music. And we're gonna have some apple fries, which is a must. And I'm gonna show you some exclusive Legos and how crazy expensive, well, for some, that some of these things are. There's actually a Lego set in here that's $800. So come check it out. Here you have to have some apple fries. We're gonna get some a little later, but this is a must. This is an absolute must to get some apple fries. Cannot leave this park without getting some apple fries. World famous, the apple fries. These are a must with whipped cream. Absolutely amazing. It comes with ice cream, but you can get it without. Did not get mine with ice cream. Woo. I also made a mess. But these are a must have. I'm gonna take you around to the merchandise to see the limited Lego Star Wars stuff that they have. And then if you're here with us at Park Hopping, I'll be back here in a couple days to get some ride reactions and stuff, so stay with us. But you gotta get the apple fries, baby. Some cool things. Some exclusive. First thing we see is red. It's here.
That one is for $75.
So when you spend $75, you get this with it, right?
You get that one for free.
You get this one for free.
Yeah.
And what's the other one? The Batmobile?
The Batmobile. This is $250, and then you can get this for free when you purchase it.
So you buy the bigger one and you get the small one for free. Awesome. Okay. You spend $125 and you get that for $15.
For 60.
For 60.
Instead
Okay.
of 90.
Oh, okay, so it's $30 off.
Yeah.
BB-8. There's the R2-D2. Okay. So the cost here is $200 for the droids. And we got the X-Wing. And that one is $90 for the X-Wing. We got Yoda. They really should put the price tags so I don't have to keep flipping boxes. This one's $100 for the Yoda. There's the Slave one. And this one is $120. $120. Here is, what is this? Obi-Wan's home. Obi-Wan's hut, they call it. That's $30 for Obi-Wan's hut. And the original Luke Skywalker. Look, they got Luke Skywalker in a robe. That one's $30. It's a little Jawa in the back. That's kind of cool. I like that. And to be honest, I really like the pod race. And it comes with a, look at that, a $19.99 Luke Skywalker collectible. That one's $30 as well. That's pretty cool. So here we've got the Force Awakens. I guess that's the snow thing. That one's only 20. That one's only 20. Darth Vader alarm, looks like an alarm clock. $32 for that. They also have Luke Skywalker. This is the, it's like, I guess it's the Hoth set. I don't remember that vehicle. They just kind of threw that in there, I guess. This one's $20 as well. No, I agree with you. So this one is $70 for, we got Harry Potter stuff here. Yeah, so I told Legoland that they need to put the prices out so I don't have to touch every one of these boxes. Here we go, this one here, just to see how much things cost. $40. This looks cool. Look at that, it comes with a Dementor. Wow. This one's only $80. I'm shaking, it's heavy. It's not as expensive as the Star Wars one. Well, might as well look at the castle. This one's $100. The Steamboat Mickey. $90. And that's the Legoland exclusive. Normally $90. Death Star is $500. The Millennium Falcon, they're the same 500 for the Falcon too.
No, the Millennium Falcon is 800.
800?
Yes, sir.
$800.
And the Imperial Star is 700.
700. So the cheapest one is the Death Star. And how about the Harry Potter castle?
Harry Potter is 400.
400.
And Stranger Things is 200.
200. So Star Wars is this is the most expensive thing you have in the store.
That's right.
$800 right there. Hear that? Original trilogy. Original trilogy. All right, that was it. As you can see, there is no one here. There is no one here. I'm leaving Legoland, Florida. I'll be back in a couple days. We're gonna get some ride stuff. And, but it's nice coming to the park when it's like this. It's nice coming to the park when it's like this. That's because it's school day and, you know, so, all right. This is Jay with Park Hopping. I'll catch you next time.
Hey everyone, it's Jeremy from geeksandgamers.com, and if you're a fan of Geeks and Gamers, please go to our website, visit our merchandise store. We have t-shirts, hoodies, hats, beanies, tank tops, and in the very near future, we're going to have many more products for you to choose from. So thank you for the support. We appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and we will talk to you later.